Ever wondered what happens when you post a photo, hit like, or send a DM? Apps like Instagram may look simple, but behind the screen, there's a huge world of coding, servers, databases, and smart algorithm. How Instagram work? Intro: what makes an app? The social media apps are built from different parts working together. Key points: the app screen you use, the code running behind it, servers storing data, databases saving photos, users, and comments, algorithms choosing what you see. The frontend, what users see. The frontend is the visible part of the app. Examples: home feed, profile page, like button, story viewer, search bar, upload screen. Simple comparison. The frontend is like the shop window. It's everything people can see and tap. Tools used to develop frontend are React Native, Flutter, Swift for iPhone apps, Kotlin for Android apps. The backend, the hidden brain. The backend is the part users do not see. Key points: receives requests from the app, sends posts and profiles to users, handles likes, comments, follows, and messages. Checks login details safely. Simple comparison. The backend is like the kitchen of a restaurant. You don't see it, but it makes everything work. Languages that are used to code a backend are Python, JavaScript, Node.js, Java, Go. Databases, where everything is saved. Data in a computer is stored in databases. What gets stored? Usernames and passwords, photos and videos, captions, comments, likes, followers. Simple comparison. A database is like a super-organized digital library. Uploading photos and videos. Do you know what happens after tapping post? Steps. You select a photo or video. The app sends it to cloud storage. The backend saves details like caption and date. Your followers can see it in their feed. Fun fact: millions of photos and videos can be uploaded every single day. The algorithm, why you see certain posts. An algorithm is a step-by-step instruction for solving a problem or completing a task. Key points. Instagram may look at posts you like, accounts you follow, videos you watch longer, topics you search for, content your friends interact with. Simple comparison. The algorithm is like a smart DJ choosing songs it thinks you'll enjoy. Important note. It is not magic, it is code using data and patterns. Keeping the app safe. Security and moderation means protecting young users from harmful content, cyberbullying, and online predators while balancing their need for digital independence. Key points. Password encryption. Login verification. Blocking spam accounts. Reporting harmful content. Protecting private messages and accounts. Can teens build a mini Instagram? Yes, of course you can. Simple project ideas. Build a photo gallery website. Create a profile page with HTML and CSS. Add a like button using JavaScript. Make a mini social feed using React. Store posts in Firebase. Script idea. You don't need to build the next Instagram on day one. Start by building one small feature like a profile card or a like button. Outro plus call to action. Apps like Instagram are built by teams of designers, programmers, data experts, and security engineers. And every big app starts with small lines of code. Call to action. Which app should we explain next? YouTube, WhatsApp, Spotify, or Snapchat? Comment below, and subscribe to CodeCraft Teens for more fun tech videos. Code today. Create tomorrow. Please comment if you have any question. That was fun.
Subscribe and join the journey bright. Keep learning, keep building day and night.